It is very nice to greet you again. In today's video we will talk about the following. Healthy and unhealthy gums in dogs. Learn the differences. There are 3 good indicators of a dog's gum health: color, texture, and odor. Since healthy gums are a sign of a dog's overall health, it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with your dog's gums, as changes in color and pattern can be signs of gum problems. 1. Color. Dogs' gums look a lot like people's. They're a vibrant pink, ranging from bubblegum to salmon. But that's just an average. Some dogs have darker or lighter gums, and some are even stained or mottled with darker colors. Once you know your furry friend is healthy, take a good look at their gums to see what they look like. You might even consider taking pictures if they have patterns, just so you have something to compare them to later. 2. Texture. Your dog's gums should be almost smooth. There will be small ridges around the base of the teeth, but otherwise, they will be fairly flat. There should be no deep redness, swelling, or lumps or bumps in unusual places, all of which can be a sign that something is wrong. Your dog's gums are considered healthy when they're moist and slippery, just like yours. If they're dry, swollen, bleeding, or sticky, something is probably wrong. 3. The smell. Dogs are full of all kinds of strange smells, from the typical doggy stench to weirder things like Cheetos paw or fishy breath. There will always be odors if they've eaten something recently, especially something unpleasant they shouldn't have, but there shouldn't be anything truly unpleasant. How often should I check my dog's gums at home? You should check your puppy's gums once or twice a month. Have your dog look at you, lift his lips, and examine his gums and teeth. While you're at it, smell him. What do unhealthy gums look like in dogs? Now let's talk about what unhealthy gums look like. We'll discuss each aspect and problem, what it means, and how to treat it, so you can search by color or problem. 1. Bright red gums. If your dog's gums are bright cherry red, it might be time to worry. Bright red gums can indicate a variety of problems, including heat stroke, carbon monoxide poisoning, toxin exposure, hypertension, shock, and some types of poisoning. 2. Red, mottled gums. Mottled gums on your puppy's gums can be a sign of a clotting problem. If your pet has stains on their gums, check their ears and belly, where there isn't much fur, and look for similar stains. Clotting problems are considered an emergency and require urgent treatment. 3. Redness along the gum line. If your pet's gums are mostly healthy and pink, but there is a red line along the ridges where the gums meet the teeth, they likely have gingivitis. Gingivitis can lead to periodontal disease. 4. Pale, gray, or white gums. Pale gums are often caused by anemia. Various diseases can cause anemia, but so can the consumption of toxic substances. For example, consuming garlic or onions can cause anemia several days later. Trauma can also cause pale gums. 5. Yellow gums. Whenever a part of the body turns yellow, the first thing we should think about is liver problems. If your dog's gums are yellow, check their lips, the whites of their eyes, and parts of their ears. Everything is probably turning a little yellow as well. This is all a sign of something called jaundice, which is very dangerous. 6. Blue or purple gums. When your puppy's gums are blue, it's called cyanosis and is an indicator of low blood oxygen levels. Blue gums can be caused by a variety of different problems, including heart disease, heart failure, respiratory problems, poisoning, etc. Treatment is urgent. 7. Sticky and dry gums. Gums that are sticky, slimy to the touch, or dry can be a sign of dehydration. This may be temporary, such as if they've been running and playing a lot and are panting heavily. Always give your puppy plenty of water and let them rest. Then, check them again. If their gums have returned to a pink, healthy, and moist color, they're fine. 8. Smelly gums. Bad breath is caused by bacteria in the mouth and is scientifically called halitosis. It's simply bad breath caused by dental plaque and bacteria in the mouth. It's not usually particularly dangerous unless it's very advanced. Final thoughts. Your dog's gums can be a good indicator of their overall health. Many health problems and conditions can be detected early with a quick, periodic gum inspection at home. Checking your dog's gums regularly at home is one of the easiest measures to take. It doesn't require much effort and is very effective. If you notice changes in your pup's gums, it's always a good idea to call your veterinarian for advice. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend. A hug and until the next video.